Hello and welcome to GATE Network question series. Now we are on question number 13. Question number 13 which was been asked in GATE 1994 in Triple E branch for 2 marks. Now according to question, a set of 3 equal resistors each of value R connected in star across RYB of given figure consumes the same power as the unbalanced delta connected load shown. Then the value of Rx is dash ohm. We have to calculate the value of Rx in ohm. Now, the first thing, a set of 3 equal resistors, each of value Rx connected in star across RYB of the given figure. Now let us draw a figure with star connected load, each of value Rx, each of value Rx. This is R, Y and B, Rx, Rx and Rx. So instead of delta we have connected star in the same figure according to the question. Now it consumes, this particular circuit consumes the same power as this unbalanced delta connected load shown here. So the power consumed in this circuit is equals to the power consumed in this particular circuit. So the value of Rx will be what? Now if we see, the power consumption is always there associated with the pure resistor. The inductor does not consume the power and a pure capacitor also does not consume the power. So whatever power is going to consume in this circuit, I am talking about the active power P. Active power P I am talking about. And here it is not mentioned that whether the power is active or reactive, so we need to consider the power as active power in watts only. So the power consumption in this circuit will be equal to P delta will be equal to only Vph square into Iph or V square by R. Power is what? Power is V square by R or I square into R or V into I. We know V, we know R. So we will use this particular formula. We will use this particular formula. V, we know. What is the value of Vph? Vph, voltage across this resistor, that is 400 volt. 400 volt. V square by, what is the value of R here? R is 100. So 16,000 divided by 100. This 00 cancel, 1600 watt. This is the P delta. Now let us write here. P delta is equals to 1600 watt. 1600 watt. Now what is the value of P star? Star connected load. What is the value of power for same value of resistances in each circuit? So P star will be equal to 3 times Vph square by R. That is the power consumed across this particular phase. 3 times this will be equal to the total power consumed. Why? Because the value of all the resistances in each phase is equal. So 3 times Vph square by R. Now the line voltage here, line voltage is 400. So in the same circuit we have connected delta. Here line voltage is equal to 400 volt. So the Vph will be equal to 400 by root 3. We all know this. Vph in delta, in star is equals to VL by root 3. So 3 into 400 by root 3 whole square divided by Rx. Now P delta is equal to Px. Consume the same power. It is said in the question that both the circuit consume the same power. So it is equal to 1600. 1600. So 3 into 400 square by 3 divided by R. So this 3 get cancelled. So R is equals to 400 square divided by 1600. It is equals to 160000 divided by 1600. So it is 100 ohm. 100 ohm. So what is the value of Rx for the same consumption of power? That is equals to 100 ohm. So I hope you have got this solution. So thanks for watching.